people who are invading the studio.
This is your circular saw. The blade is on the right side, and it makes it a lot harder for right-handed people to see. It's also called your direct drive or your sidewinder. This is your worm drive. It uses a worm gear to drive the blade. The blade is on the left side, so it makes it easier for right-handed people to drive the blade. The worm drive is a lot heavier than the other circular saws. And because of the motor being up here, it has a lot more power. This is your portable circular saw. It has a blade on the left side, so it makes it easier for right-handed people to cut. It's also a direct drive or a sidewinder, same as the first circular saw I showed you. Also portable by battery, so you can bring it anywhere on your job site, even if you don't have a cord. For the portable circular saw, the guard is easily moved by pushing it up like this. You can adjust the fence by adjusting the knob on this side, and then moving it either up or down for however thick your project is. And to make yourself a miter or bevel cut, you just take the knob right here and you push it down. You can adjust your thing to any degree you like. You can get 15, 22 and a half, 30, 45, or to 0. Now I'll show you how she cuts. Whenever you're cutting with a portable circular saw, make sure you're wearing your hard hat, your safety glasses, and your shirt is tucked in, and your safety boots. Now we're going to do a 15-degree bevel cut.
Remember to wear the proper PPE when working with power tools. First step in making a plunge cut, retract the blade guard. Step 2, line up your blade in your line. Start the saw and slowly lower it into your project. Once the blade has made it all the way safely into your project, follow your line and continue with the cut. Make sure you're wearing the proper PPE and the blade has come to a complete stop for removal.
My video has been useful in operating your own circular saw. And for you beginners out there, good luck on your next projects.